Hello, namaste to all. This is your Sinua Sharma with 5 minutes astrology classes. Today in this short video, we are going to discuss the fruitful, semi-fruitful and barren signs. Some of the ideas I will narrate now. Fruitful signs. Observe the green colored one are the fruitful signs. Semi-fruitful sign. Observe the transparent green color one are the semi-fruitful sign. The remaining is the orange color one, the four signs or barren signs. How to use this is an important question. How to understand this Rashi are another important question. When planets are entering a Rashi, this receives the vibration and nature of the Rashi. Even the planet's nature is also changed and influence the nature of Rashi. If majority of the planets are entering here, we'll get modification due to the nature and vibration of these Rashis. We make all efforts to get the results and fruit for our work. At the time of our birth or at the time of our questioning, when we notice majority of the planets are in fruitful signs, we are getting fruits for our effort easily. If these rashis are full of fruits, we are getting good results. Suppose if majority of planets are in a semi-fruitful sign, they give only 50% result to us and 50% of results are coming to us. In this way, we can understand how we are going to get the results. Sometimes what happens? Majority of the planets are in a barren sign or barren rashis. This will not fetch the result we need. Fruit in the sense, results for our work or even fertility in family life. Majority of the planets are in barren sign and the important planets, the Saturn and the Mercury are also here. And this is connect to the children's house. The native progeny chance seems to be dull. One more example here. In the rainy season, rain supporting planets and the stars are in barren Rashi, the chances of good rain is dull. These are the simple glimpses of fruitful Rashis, semi-fruitful Rashi and the barren Rashis. When you observe these in your collection of birth math, you understand this better. Happy learning in your 5 minutes astrology basics. Your Srinivasa Sharma, Bangalore.